Okay, so for 31, we just want to find the best transition word here. And in order to do that, let's just go ahead and read what happens before, what happens after, and then find how to transition between the two. So, a recent review of the scholarly literature by Texas researchers found that PAs lend cost-efficient, widely appreciated services in underserved areas. Okay, next. Rural-based PAs often provide a broader spectrum of such services than do their urban and suburban counterparts. Okay, so basically, first part tells us that PAs are cost efficient and give widely appreciated services in underserved areas, and that in these underserved areas, in the rural areas, they provide a broader spectrum of services than PAs do in urban and suburban areas. Okay, so currently we have the transitional phrase of in addition. So we use that when what we're about to say is, on the same topic as the previous sentence and in some way usually, supports a point made in the previous sentence, which is, definitely seems to be the case here. That PAs are cost efficient, widely appreciated services, and then we're just adding on that they provide a broader spectrum of these services than PAs do in urban and suburban parts. So it's definitely on the same topic. This seems like a reasonable transition, but let's read the options. So for B, it's thus. Okay, when we say thus, that means that what's about to follow is somehow a logical consequence of what was said before. Is that the case here? Not really. It's not a log. I mean, it's not. It doesn't logically follow that that they provide a broader spectrum of services given what we were told before. It's just okay. They are cost efficient, have widely appreciated services, and they also provide a broader range of services. There's no way you can sort of deduce this information from what was said before. It's just equal, and isn't in any way. There's no like cause and effect here going on. So thus is probably not the best way to go. Despite this, okay, that means that what you're about to say is somehow in spite of what was said before, and that's not the case here either. There's no conflict here. There's no contradiction going on. It's just one piece of information and another piece of information that sort of adds on to the same topic. Lastly, on the other hand, again, that's setting up some kind of comparison or contrast, right? And that's not what we see here. There's no contrasting going on. It's just an additional piece of information on this topic. So, in addition, does the job just perfectly. So, A is our answer.